Air fryers have been around in various forms for over a century, but the modern appliance as we know it was introduced in 2010 by Philips Electronics. The concept of air frying itself dates back to early 20th century innovations, with the first mention of air frying technology appearing in a 1904 article discussing an electric air pressure cooker. However, it wasn't until the Philips air fryer was introduced that the appliance gained widespread popularity. Air fryers allow users to prepare food with significantly less oil compared to traditional deep frying methods. They can reduce fat content by up to 90%, making them an appealing option for health-conscious consumers. This aligns with a broader trend of increasing health awareness as more individuals seek to monitor their diets and reduce calorie intake. Air fryers cook food quickly and evenly, resembling the functionality of convection ovens, but with faster preheating times. This efficiency is particularly attractive to busy individuals and families looking for quick meal solutions. The appliance's ease of use and straightforward cleaning process further enhance its appeal. The pandemic prompted many people to cook more at home, leading to a spike in the purchase of kitchen appliances, including air fryers. With over 80% of meals being prepared at home during this period, air fryers became a popular choice for making meals easier and healthier. Air fryers can prepare a wide range of foods, from crispy snacks to baked goods and roasted meats. This versatility encourages users to experiment with various recipes, contributing to their popularity. The rise of social media has also played a significant role, with influencers showcasing creative air fryer recipes, further driving interest. Compared to other kitchen appliances, air fryers are relatively affordable, making them accessible to a broad audience. Their cost-effectiveness, combined with the savings on oil and energy, appeals to consumers looking for budget-friendly cooking options. In conclusion, the combination of health benefits, convenience, and the ability to prepare a variety of dishes has solidified air fryers as a staple in many households. Their popularity is expected to continue as food manufacturers adapt their products to be compatible with air fryers, further embedding them into modern cooking practices. Thank you for watching.